temple is this, sir?
Mariamman.
Mariamman. Okay. The gentleman told me what temple this is. Also wanted his photograph taken, so here goes. There's one of the temples. There are 3 temples here. There's a second temple I've come to. The other one you can see out there. Beautiful temples. There's supposed to be a third one that I'm looking for. The third temple should be somewhere around here. I think I've spotted it. You can hear Tamil music, so a lot of people here are Tamil, I'm guessing. It looks like quite an old temple with beautiful architecture there. So this is the goddess Mariamman's temple, and that's the Sanctum Sanctorum. We're going to Queen's Restaurant, which is right next to Cafe Enviro, which is the more popular of the 2 places. I really love the decor in Queen's Restaurant. They have my favorite string hoppers, so I have no complaints there. This is their breakfast menu. My beautiful wife. This is their string hoppers, orange juice, coffee.
This is pumpkin curry.
Pumpkin curry.
And this dal curry. And this potato. Coconut sambar and chicken curry.
Looks yummy, man. Thank you. In the evening, we took this tuk-tuk that took us to the Dutch Canal. So a tuk-tuk takes us to a point in the Dutch Canal where the tuk-tuk driver, Leonard was his name, had a boat moored. We got onto the boat, then he took us through the Dutch Canal and then ended up in the lagoon, Negombo Lagoon. We went on for a while and then he took us to a spot where he actually laid out a table. He laid out some fruits for us. A little picnic with our feet in the lagoon water. We got off the boat, walked through the water. It was a beautiful location with little islands all around and water everywhere. And yeah, we had fruits, picnic in the middle of the lagoon. And quite romantic, quite beautiful. Surrounded by water on all sides. Isn't this the cutest picnic you've been on, Harneet?
your city upside down. Are you ready now? Working hard from 6 to 10. Then I swing back home again as I'm getting ready for tonight. I look round every corner where the party's and I'm on it, but I keep waiting around.
After that, we came back to a hotel and ended a day ordering dinner from basically chicken curry and dal from the hotel itself, room service, and then we ordered on top of that. We went across to the other side of the road. There's this little cabin, you'd like to call it, where this uncle and auntie make hoppers or appams. They make all sorts of appams, egg appams, regular appams, just plain appams. So you got some appams with the chicken and dal, and it was delicious dinner in the room. That's how we ended the day yesterday. Today is our last day. We're leaving today evening for Bangalore. The 6:40 flight.